If you want to allow third-party app installation on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first we'll open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our security and privacy tab. There it is. So in our security and privacy tab, let's find our more security and privacy. In our more security and privacy, we have to find our installation sources. There it is, and now simply tap on the switch near the application which you won't allow to install from the third-party apps. For example, like Chrome, press allow, like Drive, let's press allow too, and basically that's how you do this. So, however, to be safe, keep in mind that you should install APK files only from trusted sources. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.